In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, and then hold this line and drag it down. Now, with all of your shortcuts visible, look for white auto-rotate one or gray one called Portrait. As you can see, auto-rotate is here, so when I click, it turns gray and it says Portrait. That means that auto-rotation is off. If you wanna switch it on, click on Portrait until it says auto-rotate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!